Oral-B Ultimate Clean Replacement Brush Heads, black, 2 count. Compatible only with Oral-B electric toothbrush handles. You will receive 2 Oral-B Ultimate Clean Replacement Brush Heads. Combines Oral-B unique round brush head with gentle microvibrations for a surprisingly enjoyable experience and healthy teeth and gums for life. Reduces plaque buildup along the gum line. The dual-length bristles surround and reach deep in between teeth and have higher density for an ultimate clean. The Oral-B series combines powerful, but gentle micro-vibrations with Oral-B unique dentist-inspired round brush head design for a professional clean feeling every day. Ultimate Clean refills help remove plaque, leaving teeth feeling clean and bright. Tufted bristles help clean hard-to-reach areas of the mouth. Dentists recommend changing your toothbrush head every 3 months for best results. Top reviews from the United States. Don't try to take shortcuts. I saw an products of 4 toothbrush heads and I bought those, however they were coming from overseas and the delivery kept getting extended. Just go with the sure thing, they are worth every dime. Best toothbrush I ever had.